Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at the Card College Standard Edition playing cards. These were part of a Kickstarter campaign and was a collaboration between Roberto Giobbi and TCC. However, these are not the playing cards that came with the limited edition numbered collector's box sets with the extremely fancy tag boxes. These are the standard workers decks. These are printed by the USPCC and are available in this dark red or dark blue color. The front of the tuck box is made to look like the Card College books, the jacket of the books. The back of the box shows the back design of the cards. One side of the box says, "Wonder is the beginning of all wisdom." And the other side says, "Card magic is the poetry of magic." The bottom has Roberto Giobbi and TCC's logo. There's also a formula at the bottom. I did reach out to them to ask what it was. They told me, but I'm still unfamiliar with it. If you want to look it up, the hint is a Divernon shuffle, so you can look it up. If you know, then you know. There is no tuck seal on the top, and it says Roberto Giobbi Card College playing cards. Now, let's open the cellophane and get to the cards. The back design of the cards are taken from the illustrations of the Card College books. You get two custom jokers, one regular and one guarantee joker. I would have preferred that the jokers were identical, but this is not a big deal. The Ace of Spades is a custom ace. The rest of the cards are standard card faces and court cards. You also get two gaff cards, a red-blue double backer, which is very nice, and a double backer matching the color of the deck, either red-red or blue-blue. The borders are thin, thinner than your regular bicycle playing cards. These fan nicely right out of the box. They dribble nicely and even ferro nicely. All in all, this is a great deck that is suitable for Magic and card games. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this, and do check out the other videos on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.